Installing a walk-in bath is one of the best decisions you can make to enhance the safety, comfort, and functionality of your bathroom. For homeowners in Pascagoula, the process is straightforward and can be customized to fit your needs and preferences. Whether you're upgrading for accessibility, luxury, or both, understanding what to expect during the installation process will help you feel prepared and confident. Here's a detailed guide to walk-in bath installation in Pascagoula. Initial consultation and assessment. The first step in installing a walk-in bath is scheduling a consultation with a trusted local installer. During this visit, a professional will assess your bathroom's layout, plumbing, and overall design to determine the best options for your space. They'll discuss your specific needs, such as accessibility requirements, preferred features, e.g., hydrotherapy jets, heated seating, design preferences to match your bathroom's aesthetic. For Pascagoula homeowners, this is the perfect opportunity to ask questions and explore different styles and models. The installer will also take precise measurements to ensure the walk-in bath fits seamlessly into your existing space. Choosing the right walk-in bath. Once the assessment is complete, you'll select the walk-in bath that best suits your needs. Modern walk-in baths come in a variety of sizes, styles, and feature options. Some popular features include low threshold entry for easy access, non-slip surfaces to enhance safety, hydrotherapy jets to relieve muscle tension and promote relaxation, and quick drain technology for convenience, ergonomic seating for added comfort. Your installer will guide you through the available options and help you choose a model that aligns with your priorities, budget, and bathroom layout. Preparation and removal of old fixtures. Before installation begins, your old bathtub or shower will need to be removed. The installation team will carefully dismantle and dispose of the existing fixture, ensuring minimal disruption to your home. If any additional preparation is needed, such as updating plumbing, leveling the floor, or making adjustments to the walls, your installer will handle these tasks as part of the process. For Pascagoula homes, where bathroom sizes and layouts can vary, this preparation phase ensures that the new walk-in bath will fit perfectly and function optimally. Professional installation. The installation process typically takes 1 to 2 days, depending on the complexity of the project and the features of your walk-in bath. During this phase, the team will install the new walk-in bath securely in the designated space, connect the plumbing and ensure all water lines are properly sealed, test the bath's features, such as jets, drainage, and temperature controls, to ensure everything works as intended. Make any necessary adjustments to the surrounding walls or flooring for a polished, finished look. A professional installer will prioritize precision and attention to detail, ensuring the walk-in bath is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. Final inspection and walkthrough. After the installation is complete, the team will conduct a thorough inspection to ensure every component is working properly. They'll also clean up the workspace, leaving your bathroom spotless and ready for use. Before they leave, the installer will provide a detailed walkthrough of your new walk-in bath, explaining how to operate its features and perform basic maintenance. This is your chance to ask any final questions and ensure you're comfortable with your new investment. Enjoying your new walk-in bath. Once the installation is complete, you can immediately begin enjoying the benefits of your walk-in bath. For Pascagoula homeowners, this means improved safety, accessibility, and relaxation. Whether you're soaking in hydrotherapy jets after a long day or appreciating the peace of mind that comes with a safer bathing experience, your new walk-in bath is designed to enhance your quality of life. Why choose a professional installer in Pascagoula? While some homeowners may consider DIY installation, hiring a professional is highly recommended for walk-in baths. A licensed installer ensures proper connections to plumbing and electrical systems, accurate fitting to prevent leaks and water damage, compliance with local building code, a clean and efficient installation process. In Pascagoula, working with a local professional also means you'll have access to expert advice and ongoing support if you need maintenance or upgrades in the future. Ready to upgrade your bathroom? Installing a walk-in bath in your Pascagoula home is a decision that offers long-term benefits, from enhanced safety to a luxurious bathing experience. With the help of a professional installer, the process is simple and stress-free. If you're ready to make the upgrade, contact a trusted local expert today to get started. Your dream bathroom is just a phone call away.